how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'll show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. First, open your Snapchat application and then go to your profile on the top left. There, beside my account, you'll see public profile. Tap on it. And then here you'll see options to put your stories, add snap, and then this will be added to your public profile from your post archive or camera roll to highlight your favorite memories. And also go to spotlight and then post on spotlight and get insights about your audience. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.